Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna, and I thought today we'd do a really quick craft. I seen a picture of something similar to the shorter one on Pinterest. I don't remember who had it on there, but what I wanted to do is put home on one and family on the other. So I took some scrap 2x4s. And if you don't have, instead of buying it, you can probably put on Facebook asking friends or anybody if they have some scrap 2x4s. Builders quite often will have them. And then you can use, I have a bandsaw, but you could use a miter box and saw these on. What I did was I come in half of my 2x4, which I believe was an inch, and I don't remember exactly what it was. But I came in, made my center point, and then came down the same amount on each side, and then I just drew with my pencil to create my point here. You don't have to come down that far, but I just liked the way that angle was. I then took my sander and I kind of rounded the edges. I took some of this Waverly chalk paint, and it's the plaster color, 60679E. I get this at Walmart, and it's not white, but it's not really a cream either. And I actually put some in a little Dixie cup and watered it down just a little. I didn't want a pure wash, but I didn't want the heavy paint either. I did want to be able to see the wood through. So I did prep these. They are ready to go. I'm going to take, I cut these out 3 different ways. I cut it in a printed, just scrapbooking paper or cardstock. I cut it in vinyl. Where's my vinyl? Oh, right here. This is the vinyl. I cut that in the brown. And then I cut it in the teal color. This is textured cardstock. I'm going to go with the teal. I thought that looked the best. So I'm just going to, and you can use whatever you want. This is just what I liked the best. So I've also got some flowers ready here. These are just some rolled roses that I did. I took my distress ink and I just inked around the edges there. I also have some pre-made flowers here that I made with my Heartfelt Creation flowers. So I'm going to take some jute also. So let's go ahead and glue this down. And you can do it with vinyl or paper. These are for inside, so I'm not too worried about it being, I mean, you could paint it too. You could use a stencil and paint this on if you wanted. I sometimes just like to make things really simple. And I do love the textured cardstock. I think it's really pretty. So I like it. So I'm going to glue this on there. Probably about right in there. Like I said, this is going to be a real quick craft today. Something like that. Perfect. There we go. And then we'll get the family one glued on there too. Now this is pretty long, so yeah. Now I didn't see the family one. I just seen a picture of the one that said home on Pinterest. So, but I thought, well, I want mine to say family too. I like to do 2 of them. So that is why I decided on 2. I think I'm going to leave a little space there. I'll be able to get my, got some glue on that one. My flowers on there. Just like that, I think. If you hear TV, that's my husband is watching TV in another room, so. Okay. Something like that, I like that. Now, I've got my hot glue gun going. I'm going to take this and I'm going to start a little dab of glue on the back side here. I'm going to use that to start my jute just to hold it. And I'm going to wrap it around a couple times. Not necessarily perfect, but I like the looks of that. Let me see here what I think. Yeah, I almost wish I had a thinner one, but I don't know if I do. Let me look a second. See if I have thinner. Oh, let's go with this. Let's go with this white. Will that look good? Let me see. Yeah, that might look better. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this. Whoop. Got the glue gun right inside my trash can. There we go. Sorry about that noise. Okay, so let's, oh my goodness, here we go. All right, we're just gonna get this going different ways. One more, and then let's just snip that and glue it down. There we go. Just like so. Okay. There. So we got that kind of like that. That looks kind of good. Let that dry up a second. Let's do the same thing to this one. I'm going to unroll this a little bit. Let's get a little bit of glue on the back here. Stick that in it. A spot where I can hold it where it won't get me. I'm going to try to get it up here. All right, I think that'll work. Let's snip that there. Get a little glue. Put that down in there. Okay, there we go. Now these flowers, I thought these would be cute, putting one inside these smaller ones. I thought those would look nice in there. Just so I'm going to hot glue one of each of those inside those smaller. There we go. So it looks kind of nice. And we'll use the other ones that are plain there. So let's go ahead and start with our home. Now I think we'll put one maybe up here. I haven't messed with this, so I think we'll put one right down here. It's got to be able to sit up, so I'm trying to make it so it can still stand up. Just like that. Let's do something like that. And this is, like I said, going to be a real easy one. I didn't want I do quite a few things during the week, so I wanted a simple craft, and I've been wanting to do this one in particular for a while. I thought, oh, that's cute. Okay, put a gem there. Decorate that up a little bit. Let's see what we got here. These are just from Hobby Lobby, from their jewelry section. So let's go ahead and throw one of these in there. And I'm just going to add a little art glitter glue there. And that should hold that in there pretty good. There we go. There. See, just nice and simple, but cute. Let's grab our family one. And I wanted to put a flower here. Not sure if I like that up there on the edge. Let's see if if I can pull that down there a little bit. There we go. Maybe scrunch these down here a little further. There we go. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take this one. I'm going to glue that right in here. And then I have the single rows. Like that. Put that one off there. Just like that. I think you can see the words nice and good. Let's put a gem in this one. And it's a project like this, I know you don't get to see a lot of what I have to do, but with wooden stuff I have to prep it ahead of time in order to have it dry and stuff for you. Yeah, like I said, I just watered the paint down just a little bit. Wasn't quite a wash type of paint, but it was thinner than the normal. This paint is quite thick, so. Get a bow on that maybe. Nope, I think that's it. And these will stand in my room in the same area. Be a nice close look at them. That's cute. Yeah. Nice and simple. I mean, you can make those as a welcome gift for somebody for their new home, or for your own home, or just as a nice little simple birthday gift for somebody. If you don't, try to save some money, but go on Facebook in your local community. There's always usually some garage sale sites and stuff, and put on there that you want some free pieces of 2x4s, and these are not very big at all. Let me get my ruler here. This one here is, the total height was 5 inches, and the total height of this one was 6.5 inches. So you just need pieces, and I'm sure you either know somebody that can cut those angles for you, or like I said, get a miter box. They're usually quite inexpensive, and they come with a saw, and it's a little more work, but it's very doable. Now I'd also like to take maybe a little bit of my sandpaper. Did I bring that up? Thought I brought my sandpaper up. Let me see here. I could use this, and then I can just kick off some paint in places if I want to bring back some of the wood, make it look more rustic and farmhouse-ish. So just kick it off in a few places just to get that look, you know. And there's no rhyme or reason. Could have done this probably, would definitely been easier if I'd have done this before, but just to give you another idea of getting that farmhouse look here. So, all right. I hope you like my videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you do decide to subscribe to the channel, please hit that bell so you can be notified when I do more videos. I upload a minimum of 2 videos a week. I do other things other than crafts, so take a look at my YouTube channel, and thumbs up are always appreciated. And until I get with you the next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.